How to use the Calmerry app for online therapy or on the website, how you can simply get started with it. For this, you just have to open the website or application on your device and then click on Get Started Now. Simply, you will get easily with your Calmerry healing. Let us go what you know. Being with a quick sign up and a 10-minute mental health survey, your answer will help you to get the right therapist for you. Now, this is secure and confidential. Choose your therapy plan, select from flexible option, messaging, video, or combination of both to meet your needs, and then get matched with a therapist. Get matched with a therapist in about an hour. They accept only 7.6% of application to ensure their network of 1,000 plus customers or therapists. Now you can simply start therapy. Click on Get Started Now option, this blue option ahead, and then you can simply complete a survey and start enjoying your therapy. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video.